request for a grill arrives by email. The step file can be processed directly by the calculation tool, and the manufacturing costs are calculated according to your proven specifications. Within a very short time, you will know the manufacturing costs for the entire assembly in the desired scales and the details for all the necessary work steps. In KODI, the bill of materials with costs, article images, and manufacturing processes are prepared for your ERP system. The quotation is then almost complete and can be sent promptly to the customer. When the quotation is accepted, the order is released and the details from the calculation are immediately available for production. Once the delivery date has been confirmed, work preparation is already finished. Production planning automatically adapts to the additional order data and indicates possible bottlenecks. KODI suggests the available employees and workstations with the right skills to produce the grill in the specified time. The employees in charge see the new order in their work plan at the right time. Work instructions and notes are sent along, and as soon as a work step starts, this is reported back to the office. That's how fast you are on the road with KODI. More orders, less effort.